What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you've been keeping well. We're going to go over Gala. We're currently sitting at 0.035. We're up 2.3 on the day. Market cap 1.3 billion, 24-hour volume 205 million. So if we pop into the chart, we need to hold this level that we're reacting to, the 78.6, to avoid increasing the likelihood of breaking that wave too low. So we're quite oversold, and now we're seeing a little bit of a bounce. Of course, you could A, B, C correct, but because we came all the way down to the 78.6 on the first drop, you could see a straight push. So if you can get back up into this wedge and then see a push, then that could be the signal you're going to just see straight continuation up in the wave 3. If that were to be the case, I can give you a target, trend-based extension, bottom of 1, or to the top of 1, bottom of 2, and you would target 0.057, which is the 161.8 extension for the wave 3. However, if we fail to push, we roll over. Let's say we get rejected by this trend line, we roll over, we break that low, it increases the likelihood of coming all the way down and breaking about 0.029. So watch that level. It needs to hold and see continuation to avoid the bearish scenario and this alternative wave count playing out. So if you look at the next chart, we just came back to retest those weekly EMAs. You want to see that hold and bounce for bullish continuation, because if that breaks, then you can come down and break that 0.029 low and then find the next support at about 0.024 before bouncing back to the upside. So you want to see that level hold. BTC, we have the falling wedge. We pushed up in a 5-wave move, came back in a 2. Same thing for BTC. We need to push from here to avoid breaking that low, which is the alternative wave count, and coming down to retest the support of this falling wedge. But as of right now, we're starting to push. So if we can see continuation up towards the resistance of that wedge, that will be bullish confirmation that you're going to see continuation back to the upside. So that's what we're looking at for Gala and Bitcoin. We're currently in 4 trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds and sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. Special offer right now. If you deposit $1,000 into your futures account, you get a $200 trading bonus. But all you have to do to gain access to my trade signals is sign up. That's it. Take that 30 seconds, send me an email. Completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, which includes many projects. My exact crypto trade setups, my Forex signals. Just gave 2 Forex trades the last few days. As well as one of our members is posting trade signals all day long. We have almost 3,000 members in the Discord. And if you want completely free access, you can also see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. Take that 30 seconds, sign up to BITUNIX. It will change your life. And then send me an email. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.